Hey, what's up, this is Dipesh, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use github.com to host your custom HTML CSS website and how you can use your custom domain to host this kind of website. I'll upload two parts of this video because I don't want to make this video very long, and in first part I will show you how you can create a website in GitHub and how you can set up everything, and in second part I will show you how you can use your custom domain and connect with your GitHub website. So before proceed, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe us and also hit the notification bell so you will never miss our future videos. And if you done that, let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to this github.com, and if you don't know about this github.com, this is a very repository website, and many business organizations and developers use this website to manage their code, their repositories and their files. So this website you can use for hosting your own website. So for what you need to do is just have to go to this website and create your account, sign in with your account, and once you then get that, you will get this kind of view. Or your views might be different from me, so whatever it is, don't worry about it. Just you can go to this top right corner and you can visit your profile and you can see your repository, you can see your dashboard over here. So it doesn't matter at all whatever view you are getting and how it looks like. What you need to do is just have to click on this plus button over here and just click on this new repositories, and once you click on this new repositories button, you will get this kind of menu where you can create your new repositories. So once you are here, you just have to type your repository name same as your username followed by .github.io. So make sure that you just have to type your own name, your own username .github.io. Only then GitHub will recognize this domain as your website. You can also use custom domain, but that part I'm going to show you later. So once you're done with that, you can also type anything in your description. That is completely optional step here. Now here you can choose a repository as a public or private, and if you want to keep your repositories and website code for private, then you have to buy a premium version of GitHub. So once you're done with that, you will get this kind of view over here. Now you can use your command line interface or the GitHub application, or you can also use GitHub Pages to host your website. I'm going to show you how you can host your custom HTML website, and I'm also going to show you how you can host your website with GitHub Pages. So you just have to go to the settings option over here and just find the GitHub Pages and click on choose theme. Here you can choose themes that is provided by the GitHub, and this is completely for free. So just find GitHub Pages and click on choose theme, and here you will get lots of theme that is provided by the GitHub, and this all the themes are completely for free, and for this video I'm just going to choose a first one. So just click on select theme, and here you will get the code of your theme or code of your GitHub page, and if you want to customize it, you can also customize it, and this theme page also contain little instruction to customize it, and you can learn about it. And you can also learn about GitHub page formatting from the Google search, and once you're done with that, you can just click on commit changes to save everything. And here you can see that we are done with this GitHub Pages, and you can browse your website just by going to your URL that you set earlier. Now here you can see that this page is just a default page according to template you choose, and if you want to customize this, just click on this edit this file button here, and here you can change the code of this index.md file. Here I already edit the code of this default template page, and I'm just going to update this code, and to update it, just you have to go to your index.md file and you can just change your code and just click on commit changes, and once you're done with that, go to your website URL and just refresh your page, and here you will get your updated website. Now here you can see that my website get updated, and now if you ever want to customize it, you can again go to that index.md page and you can customize it. Now you might thinking that how you can host your own custom .html file and CSS file. So for that, you just have to change all the files which is present in your repository, and here you can upload your custom HTML and CSS file to host your custom website. And to do that, I'm gonna use GitHub desktop application, and you could also download this GitHub desktop application from the link in the description. And once you download and set up your GitHub account in this GitHub desktop application, you can just simply click on this create new repository and type your repository name as your username .github.io, and here you have to choose a path for your repository, and you can literally choose any path on your computer. So to do that, you just have to click on this choose a local path and make any directory on your computer to start with the fresh directory, and choose any directory on your computer. And for that, I'm gonna choose new volume D, and under this project folder I'm gonna create a folder. You can literally create a folder with any name, doesn't matter at all, but I'm gonna choose a same URL as my folder name, and just you have to click on this create repository. So once you create your repository, you can just go to your directory that you made and just find your directory, and here you can see that you will get your repository folder, and inside that folder you will get this .git attribute file. Now whatever change you made under this GitHub repository, you can see all those changes in GitHub desktop application. Now here I'm going to put my HTML files. I'm just going to copy all my HTML files from my website folder, and here you can see that this is my website code that I'm gonna copy in this repository folder. Now here you can see that inside this GitHub repository, I just paste all the files, and whatever changes you made with this GitHub repository under your local computer, you can see all the changes in this GitHub desktop application. Now here you can see that I copied all the files, and if I go to this GitHub desktop application, it will find all the changes that you made under your repository folder. Now what you need to do, you just have to commit all these changes to master, and then we have to upload this website. So to commit, first of all you have to commit all this file to master, and you just have to type anything on your summary. Make sure that you are typing anything valid and anything sensible, and just click on this commit to master, and now you just have to click on this publish repository. Now here you have to choose your name .github.io as your GitHub repository, and then just click on publish repository, and make sure that you don't have that same name repository in your GitHub account, or if you have that repository in your GitHub account, then just simply delete your existing repository. So once you delete your existing repository, you can go to your profile and check and make sure that you don't have any existing repository with the same name that you are going to publish with desktop GitHub application. So here you can see that I delete my repository, and if I click on this public repository from the GitHub application, it will publish all these files on my GitHub account, and it will automatically create that repository in my GitHub account. Now here if I refresh this page, here you can see that my GitHub website is just get published over here. And now if I go to this repository, here you can see that all the files get uploaded to this GitHub repository from that GitHub desktop application. Now what you need to do, you just have to browse your URL to view your website. Now here you can see that how fast this website get loaded, and it is also very responsive. And again, it's also dependent on the code of your website. And you might thinking that how you can use your custom domain to host this kind of website. So I'll make a separate video about how you can connect your custom domain with GitHub hosting, and I don't want to make this video more lengthy, so for the sake of time I will make a separate video, and probably that video's link will be in the description of this video, so make sure that you check it out. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get notification about all of future videos. And if you haven't followed me on my social media, then you can follow me on my social media from the link in the description. And this is the page signing out. Meet you soon in next video.